Hi, I'm Doria, and today I'm going to recap on my first week of psychology class. First, what does the word psychology mean? Psychology can be separated into two different words, psyche and ecology. Psyche means soul or mind, whereas ecology means the study of. Therefore, putting it together, psychology means the study of soul or mind. Psychology was also grew out of philosophy and religion. Philosophy uses logical methods and critical questionings to question about thought, perception, and consciousness. For example, Plato and Aristotle debated whether knowledge comes from reason or experience, whereas the Socrates emphasized mind-body dualism, that the mind and body are separated. Religion gave the earliest framework for understanding the human spirit and moral behavior. They asked questions like why do people suffer and what happens after death. Confessional booth is a really good example because it is very similar to a therapy session today. Back in the day when there was no therapist, people who are emotionally burdened will walk into a confessional booth and talk one-on-one with the priest, which in this situation would act like a therapist. Psychology dive into topics like nervous system and biological basis of behavior, mind and body connection, and social influences on behavior. Psychology is usually not considered as a science subject, but it is, because it uses a systematic scientific method to study the mind and behavior, like other science subjects such as physics, biology, or chemistry. The scientific method starts with a research question, then forms a hypothesis. Researchers will use this hypothesis to create an experiment to collect data, and after that, they will analyze the data to form a conclusion, and later would publish the findings. Psychology is very interesting because it can explain questions like why we shiver or have goosebumps when we're emotional, why we dream, and why memories don't work like playback videos. Therefore, I'm very excited for my future psychology journey. Thank you for watching.